Hi viewers, welcome to Exos Technologies. This is the fourth tutorial for HTML5 beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is what is viewport. What we discuss on today, what is viewport, how to write viewport, what are the uses of viewport. Today we mainly discuss on these three topics. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. Exos Technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing tutorials like SEO, SMO, SM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the Exos Technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon, also you can click it notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today. This is the fourth tutorial for HTML5 beginners. Today in this tutorial, we mainly discuss on the topics is what is Meta Viewport, what are the uses of viewport, how to write viewport in meta type, setting the viewport. HTML5 introduced a method to let web browsers take control over the viewport through the meta type. What is the HTML5 introduced a method? HTML5 introduced a method to let web designers take control over the viewport. Take control over the viewport through the meta type. The viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. What is that? Viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. Viewport is the user's visible area. Total this is the user's visible area. Okay. It varies with the device and will be smaller on mobile phone than on a computer screen. This is a laptop screen, mobile and tabs different sizes. Okay, you should include the following meta viewport element in all your web pages. You should include the following meta viewport element in all your web pages. So, guys, this is the meta viewport. Meta name equal to viewport, content equal to width, device width, initial scale equal to 1.0. Okay. This is the process to write the meta viewport. Total in this meta viewport, what is first of all, what is name equal to viewport and content equal to width, equal to device width, and initial scale equal to 1.0. What is the total? I will explain. A meta viewport element gives the browser's instructions on how to control pages, dimensions, and scaling. A meta viewport element gives a meta viewport element. This is the viewport. Meta viewport element gives the browser instructions on how to control the pages, dimensions, and scaling. Okay, width, device width. What sets the width of the page to follow the screen width of the device. This is the laptop width. Mobile and tabs are different widths, different width sizes. And initial scale equal to 1.0. What sets the initial zoom level? Suppose we can refresh the page. Suppose we can YouTube. Yeah. Suppose we can refresh. Initial zoom level is 1.0. Okay. Initial zoom level is 1.0. When the page is first loaded by the browser. Suppose we can here I am decrease the size. So initially is the 1.0. How to write this meta name? I will explain with example also. HTML language equal to EL head. We always write the meta tag is in head section. Okay. Meta name equal to viewport. Meta name equal to viewport. Content equal to device width, Okay. Yeah. Good. Here I am right. Meta accept. Meta. Okay. Fake. Okay. Okay. This is the output. So guys, this is the process to write the Meta Viewport. This is complete description about the Meta Viewport. I will provide this description below the video. Okay. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. Success technologies provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the success technologies. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click the bell icon, also you can directly get notifications through Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.